In this video, we'll be showing you how to put up a standard 2-bracket shelf. For this project, you'll need the following tools: a power drill driver, a spirit level, a stud, metal and voltage detector, a tape measure, a hammer and a pencil. For safety, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE. Before starting, identify the type of wall you'll be putting the shelf onto, as this will determine what fixings you'll need. If you have a brick or masonry wall, you will need to use plastic wall plugs. If you have a plasterboard wall, you'll only need to use screws, as these can go directly into the wooden studs, which we'll show you how to locate later in the video. It's not recommended to install a shelf onto the hollow plasterboard itself, as they're not capable of holding heavy loads and may cause damage to the walls and personal injury. However, special plasterboard screws and fixings can be purchased if there's no other options. Using your stud, metal and voltage detector, scan over the area of wall you wish to drill into. This will help you to avoid drilling into any metal pipes or electrical cables that could be behind the wall. This will also identify where your wooden studs are located. Draw 2 vertical lines to mark the start and end of the studs. Then measure the distance between the center of your 2 studs. These are usually 400 or 600 millimeters apart. Now measure and mark 2 lines on the underside of your shelf where the brackets need to sit, making sure you consider the spacing of your studs. To ensure the line is straight, measure a point at the top and bottom of the shelf and draw a line through it using your spirit level. Alternatively, you could use a set square or handsaw to guarantee a 90-degree angle. On a flat, solid surface, place the shelf on its edge and butt the first bracket against it. This will ensure that the bracket is flush with the wall. Now mark through the holes on the bracket with your pencil and repeat for the second bracket. Lie your shelf flat and screw your brackets into place. Then hold your assembled shelf up against the wall. If you're working alone, secure one bracket in place with a single screw. This will make the level adjustments and markings easier. Once it's level, mark through the holes on the bracket with your pencil to show where your holes need to be drilled. For studs, you can drive the screws straight into the wall. For brick or masonry walls, select a masonry drill bit of the same thickness as your wall plug. You can also use tape on a drill bit, so you know how far you need to drill into the wall. Now you can drill into the wall up to the tape, and push your wall plug into the hole and tap the hammer to make it flush with the wall if necessary. Repeat the operation for the other marks. Now secure the shelf with all the screws, and your shelf is ready for use. For longer shelves or shelves that are going to bear a lot of weight, we recommend using additional brackets for added support. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.